Perfect. Yes.
You have to have the energies.
Yeah. Apparently he threatened him.
Okay. Can you send that to me in an email and get a hold of Todd Gallant with an emergency ER?
Yeah, don't break it out. I'm on. Next one. Almost there. We're there.
Fine, we'll add another food back.
You got your pliers? You want now?
Cut the fibers.
No.
The
That'd be a bummer for people behind it.
Yeah, there's just another string. I just lost it. There it is. One more string. Thank you, sir.
That's it. So you take one side off and then peel the other and then lay it in there.
I don't know. I've never seen this one before.
Is this a box case?
There you go.
Put your ground under.
Nope. That's an idea.
Right there. See how it sits in there? And then you put the top on.
I swear I had it in there when I started.
I should have said something because this lip was up a little on that side. That's my fault.
Before it's just what that means is Scott, we're done. Suck in a little bit.
Yeah, just snap it.
I don't know. Okay.
Okay, it's off. Watch right.
Yeah, we did.
So how we doing?
So
Having fun today?
the same as the SRO3, same as
Easy, Tiger. Easy.
Shrek put fiber in. Shrek.
don't mess with that one.
I know, I'm just getting it out.
No, you can leave that one. Just leave it. Get out of the car. You got your slope gun. Good job. Why is it?
Goes down, let it run its LED stuff.
Yeah, but see how it's it's not. You don't want to have that bend.
Start breaking out. We had to pull the lashing because the bend of the fiber wouldn't make it through the lashing, even loosening up as much as we can.
So collaboration, you were first on site. The next group that showed up, you kind of took the lead, gave them an idea of what you were working on and the direction you were going.
The slack would make it all the way to the splice case or past the splice case. We pulled that all the way down. Found out that wasn't the case. So I went up here, loosened the button nut, and shifted it back, shook it. That's why it's loose, and the fiber pulled nice and smooth right out.
The way we were.
I wouldn't go any more than 4 stands. 4 stands is going to take you a while to get that slack back. But while you're doing that, the other end is available for breakout. Somebody can start that breakout on the other end while somebody is pulling that slack back. Get on site, make a determination of how you're going to put it together. You got 2 choices. You either got slack nearby that you can pull and create that splice point, get it back together, or you got to put a strap on. That call's got to be made as soon as it is feasibly possible. At that point, then you work toward that goal. You can't be hemming and hawing which direction you're going to go.
We want to get a couple different FFOs involved, and it's just going to migrate around. It really give you guys a real world situation of what a fiber event is going to happen. It gives you an opportunity to be in a relatively non-stress environment where you can learn, do your hands-on, and you can build up that repetition, right? So, I mean, you guys are masters at bringing the strand down. You guys are masters at bringing it together and breaking it out. I think everybody across the region has done a fantastic job with that. But what was called out earlier, those were the 2 biggest opportunities, right? Case building takes some time. It takes time for everybody, even the contractors can do it all the time. Yeah, we started January of last year, and then this year we started with that new fiber restoration rollout with the XOC fiber training portal and everything like that. Since we've been more involved, we've already shortened down the fiber outage times. In Q3, after we started taking over, it came down to just over 5 hours. So we're doing better than what we were doing in Q1. So, I mean, you guys are doing an awesome job out there, and as a whole, it's better for our customers.
All right. Get a little closer before we
Wrap it up.
All right, that works. Okay. There we go. On 3, 1, 2, 3.
Nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anytime.